Hi, my name is Wayne Mortensen. I'm an Arizona attorney, and I'm here to talk to you today about some exciting news with regard to bankruptcy discharge of student loan debt. And so there's always been this issue with regard to student loan debt based on 523 of the code, which says student loans cannot be discharged unless there's an undue hardship. Well, just recently, the Department of Justice came out with some guidelines for their attorneys to assist people who have been struggling with student loan debt to help them to get them discharged in bankruptcy. So the question is, student loan discharge? Yes, you can. According to the things that I've heard, this is not a guarantee, but the things that I've heard is they're expecting to have 80% of the people who file bankruptcy with student loans be qualified for this new discharge benefit. And it basically what's going to end up being a stipulation or agreement with the U.S. government that says, yes, you can discharge your student loans in bankruptcy. It's not automatic. You have to go and actually file a bankruptcy. So these are the steps that you have to kind of take in order to get that student loan discharge. And there's three simple steps. Step number one is to file a bankruptcy. Step number two is to start an adversary proceeding. And an adversary proceeding is actually where you go in and you sue the student loan company, the servicer. You notice the Attorney General, the Department of Education, and you say, I want to get out of these student loans because it's an undue hardship. Number three, and most importantly, and this is the step that is brand new by the Department of Justice, is they are going to give what's called an attestation form. And that has to be filled out, or you're going to fill out an attestation form where you go through a series of questions and answers to help the department determine that the student loan is a hardship for you and cannot be repaid. If you qualify and they agree, they are either going to completely discharge the entire student loan or discharge a significant portion. If you don't qualify, then it rides through bankruptcy just as it always has, and you'll still end up owing that student loan. These are really awesome provisions that have been implemented by the Department of Justice. So I would urge you to come talk to me. And if you don't talk to me, if you're not in Arizona and you can't call me, seek a bankruptcy attorney that has this knowledge to help you get a fresh start and get out of these burdensome student loans. I look forward to talking to you in the office. Thank you.